Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. Let's continue the chapter as you have already learned about the maps, the types of maps, an atlas, the language of the map, direction on a map. Today we are going to start with our next topic, that is scale on a map and the colors of the map. A map can never be as big as the area or region shown by it. It is much smaller, so a scale has to be used to draw a map. Scale means the ratio between the actual distance on the earth and the distance on the map. The scale used in a map is always shown in a corner of the map. Student, first I will tell you what is a scale. A scale is a ratio of distance to place on a earth to the actual distance between the same two places on a ground. So scale tells us about the distance between the actual places on a ground. Student, can we show the actual size on the earth of the earth on a map? No. It is not possible to see the actual size of the earth on a map. Even it is not possible to show the actual distance between two places on a map. Thus, maps are drawn according to a scale, which represent actual distance on the map. Each map has its own scale, indicate the distance on the map. It can be measured according to the scale. This is a scale of a map. For example, the actual distance between two places is 100 km. So, on the map, 100 km may be represented by 1 centimeter or by any small scale. See the scale shown here. The distance between A and B represented 100 km. You can find the scale of a map usually at the bottom or the corner of the map. The scale of a map can be shown in another way. We call it linear scale. A line is drawn in a corner of the map. It is divided into two equal parts. Each part indicates the actual distance on the ground. Look at the scale shown here below. You can see, student, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. They all are in say equal distance. Okay. So, AB, BC, CD, DE are equal length shown on the line. Each length denotes a distance of 100 km on the ground. The starting point A indicates 0 according to this scale. A distance equal to the line AB is equal to 100 km on the ground. A distance equal to the line AC is equals to 200 km on the ground. Thus, by the use of scale, we can know actual ground distance between two places. Then what is a sketch? A sketch is a map drawn not with the help of scale, or a map not drawn according to the scale is called a sketch. Now our next topic is colors on the map or the color scheme. Some maps are in different colors. The different color in a map indicate different landforms or water bodies. The color schemes of all colored map is almost always the same. In a map, different colors are used, shown the different landforms like blue color is used for ocean, sea, river, lakes, etc. Green for plains, and yellow and light brown shows the higher plains. Dark brown for hills, mountains. Ice-covered mountains are colored purple and white. Each colored map carries a key or index. It shows how much height or depth from the sea level each color indicates. Can you match the colors used in the above map of India with those given in the key? Can you tell what each color indicates? So student, here you can see the map of India. Here index is given. This is your index. You see index is given here. With the help of this index, you can match the colors used in the above map of India. And you can also tell what each color indicate. Thank you. That's all for today.